Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I am thrilled to unveil an extraordinary gem in the realm of image enhancement, an exceptional free AI image upscaling tool. This remarkable tool boasts unparalleled simplicity in its utilization. All you need to do is effortlessly drag and drop your image onto the platform and watch as it works its enchanting magic. But before we embark on this captivating journey, please do us the honor of subscribing to our channel and ringing that notification bell. This way, you will stay in the loop regarding our latest discoveries in the world of AI technology. Now, let's delve into the heart of the matter. I have chosen an image that requires upscaling, which will allow us to truly gauge the prowess of this tool when compared to the original image. If we zoom in on this picture, it becomes apparent that it suffers from pixelation, doesn't it? So, let's witness the transformative power of this AI image upscaler. To begin, simply click on the Upload Picture button right here. Once your image is uploaded, you'll be presented with a selection of options. What you will want to do next is navigate to the upscale setting and increase it to a staggering 4 times. Here's a little pro tip for you. You will notice an option to enable enhanced quality, and I strongly recommend toggling this on. Doing so results in a refined output with minimal loss of quality. Say goodbye to those pesky JPEG artifacts and the pixelation around the edges. Now, let us observe the outcomes. First, I will show you what the image looks like without enhanced quality feature. On the left, behold the original image, and on the right, witness the AI enhanced version. While there is still a hint of waviness, the fur and the eye exhibit noteworthy improvements. Next, let us activate the enhanced quality feature. It only takes a few moments for the tool to reprocess the image. And lo and behold, the results are even more astounding. Take a look, the waviness and JPEG artifacts have nearly disappeared. The eye appears cleaner and the colors are smoother. It is truly an impressive transformation. This marvelous tool goes by the name of upscale.media. What is even more thrilling is that while using it manually for individual images is free, they offer a plan for bulk image upscaling, a true game changer. Trust me, I'm all about efficiency and saving time, so I will definitely be creating a video about this in the near future. I want to emphasize that I'm not here to pitch or sell you anything. I genuinely find this tool to be a game changer. I've been on the hunt for a reliable free option for quite some time, and this one truly stands out. Another remarkable aspect is that you don't even need to create an account. You can seamlessly upload your images and upscale them to 4K or enhance them to your heart's content. If you wish to download your enhanced image to your computer, it is a breeze. Simply click on the download button here and it will be automatically saved to your computer. To sum it up, here we have an astonishing free image upscaling tool that is not only user-friendly but also delivers remarkable results. Whether you are looking to enhance a single image or take advantage of the bulk scaling option, it is unquestionably worth giving it a shot. If you found this video helpful, please do us a favor by hitting the thumbs up button and sharing it with your friends who might benefit from this incredible tool. And if you are eager to explore the vast world of image generation and stay updated on the latest AI tools, then this channel is your gateway. We regularly explore various AI tools and platforms that can enhance productivity. So, make sure to click that subscribe button to stay in the loop. I sincerely hope that this video proves to be of great assistance to you. Thank you for tuning in, and I eagerly anticipate seeing you in our next exciting episode.